After 7 days of Lakhimpur violence, main accused Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son, Ashish Mishra, is finally arrested. He's sent to 14 days of judicial custody after being grilled for more than 12 hours by the SIT. He was arrested for not cooperating in the probe and giving evasive answers. UP police have asked for a remand. The petition is going to be heard tomorrow. Union Minister's son also failed to provide proof of his whereabouts during Lakhimpur violence incident that left 8 dead and dozens others injured. 8 dead and dozens others injured. Ashish Mishra is the key accused in Lakhimpur violence. He is alleged to be the part of the convoy that mowed down protesting farmers on 3rd October in Lakhimpur. The UP police have already lodged an FIR against Ashish Mishra. He's charged with murder, rioting, criminal conspiracy and being armed with a weapon. Ashish Mishra's arrest comes after 6 days of the horrifying incident. The Supreme Court in its hearing also said it was not satisfied with the Yogi government's actions taken so far.
जितने भी सारे सवाल उन्होंने पूछे 12 घंटे लगातार पूछताछ की है और 12 घंटे में लगातार कोऑपरेट किया मोनू आशीष ने। उसके बाद में कहा मोबाइल दे दीजिए, उन्होंने कहा ठीक मोबाइल दे दिया। मोबाइल की सीडीआर निकाली, उसमें भी कुछ नहीं निकला। भाई अगर मोबाइल से हमने कॉल किया है, मैं घटनास्थल पे हूँ तो आपका टावर एरिया बताएगा ना कि विक्की यहाँ कहाँ पे खड़े हुए हैं, बताएगा ना। तो उसमें कुछ निकला नहीं। जब निकला नहीं तो बोले राइफल आपके पास है, बोले हाँ है। कहाँ है, बोले घर पे रखी है। राइफल तुरंत उठ के आ गई, हमने कहा दे दो राइफल दे दी गई, खोल के देखी गई, 1 साल से चली नहीं है वो।
For 2 days continuously BJP blamed farmers and said that it was violence, conspiracy and all kinds of stories were planted by a section of media. So one, his father has no locus standi, no moral standi to stay in the role of Minister of Home for the country. 2, it also shows that Ek Rashtra Dit Rashtra model of Prime Minister Modi will not work. India needs a Prime Minister who is proactive, and if such allegations come, this minister should have it dismissed on day 1 rather than the glacial pace at which things have worked.
जो कल्पित है, जो इस नरसंहार का मुख्य आरोपी है, जो आज पकड़ा गया है, उसके पिता स्टेट होम मिनिस्टर। सेंट्रल के होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर स्टेट की सारी पुलिस और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को मॉनिटर करने की जिम्मेदारी होती है, और वो बार बार कह रहे हैं, आप सुबह भी बोले स्टेट होम मिनिस्टर कि मेरा बेटा दोषी नहीं। जो क्लीन चिट दे रहा हो जो मिनिस्टर, उस मिनिस्टर के मिनिस्ट्री के पुलिस क्या फ्री एंड फेयर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर सकते हैं? तब कहीं नहीं। ऐसे मिनिस्टर को अभी तक बर्खास्त क्यों नहीं किया आदरणीय मोदी जी ने? ये आश्चर्य की बात है। क्या उन्हें दाग अच्छे लगते हैं? तो ये कहने पड़ेंगे कि संभवतः उन्हें दाग अच्छे लगते हैं।
As far as Mishra's arrest is concerned, we have been absolutely categorical. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister has said so on a public forum that law will take its course, and that is exactly what has happened. It's about time that we look at this entire incident from an objective prism, whether it is Mishra or the men who lynched BJP workers or people who got caught in this entire incident and have lost their lives. Everybody responsible has to be brought to book. Whether you're a minister's son or you are somebody who was clubbing another person to death, the law should apply equally to all of them.
Abhishek Mishra is joining us live from Lucknow for the very latest. Abhishek, where does this case particularly stand at the moment when you have the father, who is the MOS home, who still hasn't stepped down? The son has been taken in for questioning. He's been arrested. He's being evasive. He's not cooperating with the probe. Where is the impartial probe going to even take place when the father is still the Union Minister for Home? What's going on right here?
Exactly, Chaiti, and that's the only question which the opposition and all those leaders are raising in front of the government, because we have seen what has happened in this whole case from the day 1 to day 6th, when finally at the late night Ashish Mishra was arrested by the police. The kind of treatment this case has been given is under the lining, because so far the only thing which has happened is arrest, and that too after 12-hour marathon interrogation. Lot of cross-questioning, lot of verification, lot of submission of the documents, videos, and all those things came to a point where the police has said that they feel that they need more time, and that's the reason that they have taken the judicial custody.
Absolutely. Abhishek, I'm sorry about this particular